Hi everyone, David from Madsen Langlois here. February numbers are all in, and as promised last month, they are very interesting. Sales are down in terms of volume across the board from February of last year. No real surprise there, as it is consistent with the trend that we've seen for the past 8 or 10 months, but well up from January, so last month. When you look at the sales and active listings ratio, we have about 5 months of inventory total, which means we're in a balanced market. Not really favoring buyers or sellers. There is obviously variation within that market depending on property type and price point. So single family homes at a more affordable price point, there's still a solid competition for those, and there's quite a bit of a seller's market. Certain condos in certain neighborhoods. But anything that's sort of $1 million, $1.2 million, $1.5 million and up tends to be charting in solid buyer's market territory. A quick look at the stats shows that prices are holding steady with some minor variation in benchmark pricing between this month and last month and this year and last year. But looking at the stats, the message is flat. We're in essentially a flat market as expected, and it's a balanced market. So again, not favoring buyers or sellers in particular. What is a surprise was the low number of listings that came onto the market in February. That's the least number of listings we've seen in February in 10 years. Now, was it because of Snowmageddon that really ended up costing a week or more in the market in February, or are there other factors at play? Well, that's what's really interesting. Inventory levels are still lower than expected, and prices are holding steady. Now, will a big splash of inventory have a negative effect on pricing? Or is there even a big splash of listings coming in March to make up for the lack of listings in February? Well, we'll know at the end of March, so come back then and we'll see where we're at. Thanks for watching.